In this video we're going to show you why the Slipstick Castor Cups are superior to any other caster cup that you may buy in a hardware store. The first one we're going to show you is a rubber one. It's actually got very small indentation there, which is going to possibly cause the caster to roll out of it. Also, it's quite high, which you'll see when we do the demo, and it will leave a gap in the middle of the bed. Okay, so we'll fit them up and you'll see what I'm talking about. Just drop it out of there already. Okay, so we'll sit on the bed, put some weight on it, move it, pops straight out. The other thing that you'll see when you have this is there's actually a gap, quite a large gap between the caster and the floor, which ultimately would cause the bed to bow. So that's not ideal for longevity of the base of the bed. That's that one. The next one we'll demonstrate is this one. Although it's got an indentation in there, the wheel will probably stay put, but it's got a felt bottom on it, which means it's not going to have any grip on the floor. So if you've got a hard floor surface and it's smooth, this is still going to slide along the floor, so it won't have any gripping action. Okay. So the wheel stays put, but the actual caster slides along the floor. Also, same problem, there's a gap between the floor and the end caster, so once again it's still a bowing problem. So now the difference with the caster cup is the indentation that fits neatly on the caster. It's only 2 mil between there and the bottom of the actual caster cup, and it has a gripping rubber so that it actually stays put on a smooth surface. So we'll fit these up. Just make sure that the actual caster fits neatly into the indentation and it's not slightly twisted, so that it gives you your best effect. So there's no movement on the floor and there's no movement in the actual caster, the caster cup, so that stays nice and steady, nice and strong. Also, there is no gap between there. Although the caster's loose, it's still touching the floor, so you're not going to have any bowing issues. That's why the Slipstick Castor Cup is a superior alternative.